Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix this GTA 5 error. So for the first method, go to the Windows taskbar. After that, right click and select Task Manager. Now when this pop up, go to this search and type in the launcher you have the game on, which is Steam or Epic Games. For me it's Steam, so if you do find the app running in the background, make sure you select it, right click and then select End Task. Now after ensuring that the launcher is not running anymore, go to the Windows search bar, search for Device Manager. This window will pop up, so make sure to look for display adapters and open this side arrow. After that, go to your graphics card, right click and select update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers. After that, select close. Make sure you select your NVIDIA or AMD graphics card, the integrated one. After that, close. Go to the search once again, type in NVIDIA and select NVIDIA app. If you can't find this app in your search, go to your browser, make sure you set it up, or if you have an AMD graphics card, make sure you do that instead. Now open it. This will pop up, so go to the right. This will pop up. Now make sure to sign up with your right credentials. After that, go to the left menu and select settings. Now you need to switch off the NVIDIA overlay section, so switch this off and then go to drivers and make sure to install the latest driver available for you. Select install. After that, click on express or custom and select continue to initiate the process of the installation. Now for the last method, make sure you open the game. After that, go to settings in GTA and then go to graphics and set the DirectX version to 10.1 or 10 and the issue should be fixed. If you find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.